Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Dent coin. What's the current price of Dent coin, what's the next move of Dent coin, and what is the change occur at this time in a Dent coin. And this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channels for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of Dent coin, so the current price is about 0.011572 USD dollar is the current price of Dent coin. If we talk about the change occur in the Dent coin, so the change goes very better. As you can see, the last 1 hour change is only negative, except of last 1 day, last 1 week change, so both are positive friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the last 1 day friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price chart is on the screen friends. Absolutely I like this kind of change. Positive 2.38% change occur in the Dent coin, and the only last 1 day friends. The highest price of the Dent coin in the last 1 day period is about 0.012212 is the highest price in the last 1 day period friends. If you look the chart of the Dent coin, so as you can see here, fast time again fall down, again take a jump, same fast going. After this they take a high jump, same like that. Now again fast a high explorer falling, and after this falling I hope the next move of the Dent coin as same like that. As you can see, they slowly gradually moves the point and take a high jump. As you can see at this point they take a jump, and after touching this point they bounce with this point and again falls down and occurs in the Dent coin in the future friends. So what's your opinion about Dent coin? My opinion is positive about Dent coin because now the previous period, the previous technical analysis of the Dent coin tell us that the next is jump coming soon in a Dent coin friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.